Are you stuck with an old phone number on Discord and can't receive verification codes? Change it in under 2 minutes with this simple guide. I'll walk you through each step, from opening Discord to confirming the change. Let's start with accessing your settings. First, go ahead and open Discord. Then, click on the User Settings gear icon at the bottom left. Now, in the Settings menu, click on the Account tab. You'll see your current phone number listed. Click the Edit button next to it. Then click Edit again to start changing the number. Select your country code from the drop-down menu. Enter your new mobile number in the field provided. Once that's done, click Send to receive a verification code. If a human verification prompt appears, complete it to proceed. Check your phone for the 6-digit code and enter it into the field. Type your Discord password to confirm the change. Finally, click Confirm to save your new phone number. And that's it. You're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.